Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the BONTEC Mobile Standing Desk with Keyboard Tray, a versatile workstation designed to enhance your productivity and comfort. This innovative desk allows you to seamlessly transition from sitting to standing with its adjustable height range from 28.3 to 44 inches, promoting a healthier posture and helping to alleviate neck pain from prolonged sitting. Equipped with 4 rolling casters, this desk is perfect for any professional environment, whether it's an office, art studio, or even a doctor's office, and its ergonomic design includes a spacious 25.5 by 17.7-inch desktop that can accommodate your laptop, along with a convenient slot for your tablet, phone, or pens. The desk also features a retractable keyboard tray measuring 23.6 by 11.8 inches, capable of holding a full-size keyboard and mouse, while the sturdy, H-shaped frame base ensures stability. Made from premium MDF materials, the desktop is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, and it even includes a handy hook for hanging items like headphones or a laptop bag. Operating this desk is a breeze. Simply press the lever to adjust the height with the help of a pneumatic spring, making it easy to find your perfect working position. With a maximum load capacity of 33 pounds on the desktop and 11 pounds on the tray, the BONTEC Mobile Standing Desk is an ideal solution for those seeking flexibility and functionality in their workspace.